Good morning. I am Alok Kumar, student in Kalkutia College of Engineering and Technology. Today we will discuss about the functions of YouTube and what stories of YouTube and working of YouTube. That is the early and simple YouTube interface. That is the first image will be shows the earliest of the YouTube and simple image and basic features like that most viewed and recently featured. And this this YouTube have early in many of the features that is most viewed feature and recently featured recently featured recently featured shows the video of this present time uploaded and low quality videos player compared to today. That is the and that time will be low quality in present time video as compared to present time videos and YouTube focus on personal video sharing and community. That video is the that that time will be making of the making of the this YouTube will be first make a community and sharing of the videos. Any other not in the thinking of the purpose and represent the beginning stage before missing growth, massive growth. That image will be shows the starting point of the growth of YouTube. And next we will discuss about this cycle of YouTube and Google. This picture shows the relationship between YouTube and Google. That pictures are shown by the YouTube and Google. What relation of YouTube and with function of Google and Google provides resources, technology and support. First, they Google are provide resource and technology and support. All features are provided by Google. That is, and next YouTube support content and businesses. YouTube Google support have resource technology and support and creators, and YouTube support will be creator and companies business and creator and companies gen creator and companies are create generate data and revenue. Companies and creators are generated by data and revenue. That 3.2 things of YouTube and YouTube for creator and businesses. Business generate our other things of revenue and data and creator are and from the other things of revenue and data. Growth cycle benefit with both Google and that shows the growth cycle of YouTube and Google to provide resource and technology. Then companies and creators are earned from revenue that feature provided by the Google, and Google will be sharing of the all data in YouTube. YouTube will be all data sharing from Google. That is this making of cycles, and that image will be shows the represent of YouTube large data center. That is the data center image of the YouTube and shows AI processing and global connectivity. That AI will be adjust of AI will be adjust of this data center because all background working of the AI will be work from this data center, and there will be not any need of human beings. That we will create automation of the data centers, and they will be automate of the features of YouTube, what shows what customer and what videos and relevant for the customers, and handles storage in of building and videos and building of videos, and they have storage of views, and they will they will streaming they will billions of videos in research and at a single second, and they will show the creator a creator or viewer and support high quality streaming. That is the live streaming will be supported by the through of data centers. By the through of data centers, they will source foundation of features YouTube growth and AI powered feature. That is the integration of AI have most relevant or more developed from YouTube. That is ancient time that is we we will work manually, then they are not completely recommended by the customers. And if we will present more such or more data of the YouTube, then they will show the easily of the these things from the customers and viewers, that will be relevant information and relevant content will be seen from less time, that will be source. Thank you.